Welcome to Wildlife Discoveries on Documentary Daily TV. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore the fascinating world of tortoises. From their ancient history to their remarkable adaptations, we'll delve into the secret lives of these gentle giants. Join us as we venture into the wild and discover the wonders of tortoises. Tortoises have been on our planet for over 200 million years, and their hunting strategies have evolved to survive in diverse environments. They are social animals and often live in groups, with a complex hierarchy. They belong to the class of reptiles, inhabits in a wide range of environments, from deserts to forests to grasslands. The social structure of tortoises varies by species. They establish a dominance hierarchy, with larger, older individuals dominating smaller, younger ones. In some species, males engage in territorial battles, while females often form close bonds and live in small groups. The young tortoises often live with their mothers for several years, learning important survival skills and social behaviors. Some tortoise species, like the Galapagos giant tortoise, live in large communal groups, sharing resources and socializing. Tortoises have several feeding strategies to survive. They feed on plants, using their specialized digestive system to break down cellulose. Some tortoises eat insects, small animals, or carrion, supplementing their plant-based diet. Tortoises cache food, hiding plants and fruits in burrows or under rocks for later use. They can fast for extended periods, surviving on stored energy reserves during times of food scarcity. They can eat up to 40% of their body weight in food daily. Tortoises conserve water by producing dry dung and concentrated urine. Having a unique digestive system, it allows them to break down cellulose in plant cell walls. These animals need a deep, well-draining substrate, such as sand or soil, to burrow and nest. They use their keen sense of smell and exceptional eyesight to detect prey. Tortoises are surprisingly intelligent animals, with a range of cognitive abilities that help them survive and thrive in their environments. They can solve simple problems, such as finding food or navigating obstacles. They have excellent memory, allowing them to recall the location of food sources, watering holes, and shelter. Tortoises can learn from experience, adapting to new situations and environments. Their complex social structure with individuals enables them to recognize and interacting with each other. Mating season is a critical time for tortoises, and they use a range of courtship behaviors to attract mates. Tortoise mating patterns vary by species, but typically mate during the warmer months, with the exact timing depending on the species and geographic location. Males engage in elaborate courtship displays, including head bobbing, neck stretching, and vocalizations to attract females. Sometimes they walk around the female or displaying their legs and tap their shells to signal their presence to attract the females. The males mate with multiple females, and the females often choose their mates based on dominance status, size, or courtship displays. Females dig nests and lay their eggs, which incubate for several months before hatching. Tortoises can breed multiple times during their lives, with some species able to breed year-round. The male Galapagos giant tortoise engage in intense battles for dominance, while its females choose their mates based on size and strength. Tortoises can take several years to reach reproductive maturity, with some species not mating until they are 10 to 15 years old. After mating, female tortoises lay their eggs in carefully chosen nests. Females dig nests in sandy or rocky areas, often using their hind legs and tail to create a hole. They lay their eggs usually at night and cover them with soil and vegetation. They can lay multiple clutches of eggs per year, with some species laying up to 20 eggs per clutch. The gestation period varies by species, but soon, tiny tortoises will emerge. Some tortoises migrate thousands of miles to reach their breeding grounds, while others stay close to home. The small species, for instance, the Russian tortoise and the leopard tortoise, take 100 to 120 days. The medium species, like the African spurred tortoise and Hermann's tortoise, takes 120 to 150 days. While the large species, such as the Galapagos giant tortoise or Aldabra giant tortoise, take 150 to 200 days to hatch its eggs. Tortoises migrate to areas with abundant food sources, such as vegetation or fruits. They migrate in order to reach their breeding grounds, often traveling long distances to find suitable mates. They wish to escape harsh weather conditions, such as extreme heat or cold. Some tortoise species migrate to hibernate during the winter months, often gathering in large groups to conserve energy. Tortoises are slow movers, but they can migrate at speeds of up to 0.2 miles per hour, 0.3 kilometers per hour. Tortoises have developed shells that provide protection from predators, extreme temperatures, and dry environments, and can absorb and release heat slowly. They dig burrows to escape harsh weather conditions, predators, and to regulate their body temperature. Some tortoise species hibernate during the winter months, reducing their metabolic rate to conserve energy. They use celestial navigation to migrate and find their way back to their habitats. They have coloration and patterns that help them to camouflage and blend in with their surroundings and reducing predation. Tortoises have several predators in the wild. The eagles, hawks, and owls prey on tortoises, especially young or weak individuals. Lions, leopards, and jaguars attack tortoises, often targeting their vulnerable underside. Spotted hyenas and striped hyenas feed on tortoises, using their powerful jaws to crush their shells. Large snakes, like pythons and boas, prey on tortoises, especially in tropical regions. Wild dogs, foxes, and monitor lizards also feed on tortoises. While tortoises graze on various grasses, including tall grasses and grasslands, they feed on leaves from trees and shrubs, including plants like acacia and mesquite. Some tortoises feed on algae, especially in aquatic environments. Tortoises don't actively hunt, but they have adaptations to obtain food. During grazing, they use their sharp teeth to clip and tear vegetation. They browse on leaves, fruits, and flowers, using their long necks to reach high branches. Tortoises employ various defensive strategies to protect themselves from predators. During combat, the weak ones withdraw into their shells for protection, using their shell's shape and size to deter predators. Tortoises make loud hissing or growling sounds to deter predators. They swish their tails to distract predators and protect their vulnerable underside. They usually hide their legs and head inside their shell to prevent predators from grabbing them. Some tortoises play dead, pretending to be dead, remaining still and silent to avoid attracting predators. The shell is made up of bony plates called scutes, which are derived from modified ribs and vertebrae. The shell has two main parts: the carapace, the dorsal or top part of the shell, and the plastron, the ventral or bottom part of the shell. The shell provides excellent protection against predators, as it is difficult to crack or break. The shell grows with the tortoise, as new scutes are added as the animal grows. The shell's coloration and pattern help with camouflage and can also indicate the tortoise's age, sex, and species. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of tortoises. These gentle giants have taught us so much about resilience, adaptability, and survival. Let's continue to protect and conserve these amazing creatures and their habitats. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more wildlife discoveries.